Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. First off, I want to thank you guys so much for 4,000 subscribers. It's just insane how fast I've grown in the past couple of months, and it's all thanks to you guys, so I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I'm going to be going over how you guys can start your own 3D virtual tour business. So if you guys have been up to date with the markets or know how the real estate market's doing, I'm sure you've seen that we've seen a huge growth in houses being sold, which is odd with everything that's going on in the world right now, but the market's up. So with that, we're also seeing a huge growth for the real estate marketing niche, such as, better quality pictures, better quality videos, drone footages, or a 3D virtual walkthrough. And the best part is doing a 3D virtual walkthrough is fairly simple, but the drone footages, that's another story for another video. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you guys can start your 3D virtual tour business. It's like I said, it's fairly simple. All you're gonna need three things. You're gonna need a phone or a 3D camera. You're gonna need a Matterport account, which I'm going to be getting into, and you're going to need a paying client, which is probably going to be the hardest part, but we can get it done. So before we get into the video, you already know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. We're super close to 5,000. I'm really hoping we can hit that by the end of the year, and also hit the notification icon down below so you know whenever I release a new video. So with that being said, let's see how you guys can start this business. Alright, it just got super dark outside. I don't know why. Chicago weather can be crazy, so I just turn on my lights, but essentially I'm gonna take it, you guys already know how the business model works, but in case you guys don't, what you're doing is making a virtual walkthrough for either a home, a property, a business, whatever it may be. You're making a virtual walkthrough, and you would upload that onto a website such as Trulia, Realtor, Zillow.com, or the real estate agents websites, where let's say I'm trying to buy a property, I can actually walk through the home but virtually without actually having to go there. So first things first, what you're going to want to do is create a Matterport account. You could just do this by going to Matterport.com and signing up for free. They're going to ask for your basic information, and they're going to ask for like a company name. Just make sure you put something professional. Once you do that, you're going to want to sign up for the free plan. Now the thing is, you can't do much with the free plan. It limits you to a lot of stuff, but the way I see it is the free plan is like a test run that you guys can run and make sure you guys know exactly how to do everything. So once you sign up for the free plan, you're going to want to go to your app store and download the Matterport Capture app. Once you download the app, you're going to want to do a virtual walkthrough of your own home. Now you can either use your own phone or you can use a 360 camera if you have one. Now if you're looking to get one, I'll leave a link to one where you can get from Amazon. It's a really good one. I'll leave it in the description below. Once you finish the walkthrough, you're going to want to upload that to the servers and just make sure you're comfortable doing everything. And once you do that, well, now you're an expert and you can easily make $5,000 a month. Now I'm just kidding, there's a lot more to that, but essentially that is a crucial step. You're gonna really want to get comfortable and become an expert at every single step that you do, because just in case someone asks you, hey, why'd you do this, why'd you do that, you want to have a proper answer for it. You don't want to just be like, oh, let me get back to you at that. You should show them that you're an expert in the space. One thing I did notice when using my phone was some phones don't give the best quality resolution, so when you render them back to your computer, the quality isn't the best, and unfortunately there's nothing around that. The only way around it is actually getting a good 3D camera. Before I go to the next step, if you guys are really interested in building your virtual tour business, I highly recommend you guys check out Virtual Tour Edge HQ. It's a course that shows you how to stand out from the rest of the crowd and make your tour so unique that agents will be calling you to make a virtual tour of their property. If you guys want to check out that course, I'll leave a link to it down below. Now once you have all that set and you're confident with everything and all the technical aspects you understand, now is the time to actually find a client. So the key to landing a client is to know that everyone has problems or roadblocks that they're facing in their life that they just don't want to deal with. So if you can come in and overcome these problems and help them, well, you're going to be making a lot of money. You don't need the best equipment, you don't need the best website, although it's great to have them, but if you're not getting any clients, well, it's not doing anything for you. Instead, focus your time on actually helping your clients and doing the best job you can at doing that. I read this article online which did an amazing job of phrasing the words correctly. So let me show you what it said. So let's say you're reaching out to real estate agents. Instead of saying, hey, I can create a 3D virtual tour for you, instead say, I can help you sell your home faster. Or if you're talking to an apartment landlord, instead of saying, hey, I can create a 360 tour plan for you, say, I can help increase your occupancy rate at your property. Or if you're reaching out to business, don't say, I can create a virtual tour for you on your Google page, but rather say, I can help you generate more traffic that actually comes into your store. Explain to the people that you're reaching out to that you can can actually help them, and that if they don't use you, they'll be doing a huge disservice to themselves and their business. So how can you find clients to sell your services to? So if you're sticking with real estate agents, what you can do is go to websites such as Zillow.com, Trulia, or Realtor, and go through the listings near you and see if they have a virtual tour option. If they don't, what you can do is message the listing agents and let them know what you can do. If you want a script of what I say to them, just feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll leave a link to my Instagram down in the description below. Once you message them and let's say you guys are talking back and forth, you guys agree upon a price and everything is good, what you're going to do is you're going to coordinate a time with the real estate agent to let you into the house, and you guys are going to do essentially what you practice at your own home. You're going to make a virtual tour but of that new property. Once you have everything set, you're going to come back home, upload it to the Matterport website, and everything's set. You're going to send the link to the real estate agents and you're good to go. I also get asked a lot, do you have to be at the property? The answer is yes. You cannot make these virtual tours from the pictures online. You actually have to go to the property and make the tours yourself. The best part is you're not limited to real estate agents. There are plenty of different niches out there that you can work with, such as apartment complexes, small businesses, nursing homes, etc. There are plenty of places out there that you can provide your service to. I suggest when you're starting out, reach out to your close circle, such as friends and family, and let them know what you're doing and that you would love to help them out if they have their own business or if they're agents, or with whatever help they need. If they need a virtual walkthrough, just say you would love to help them out. What this can do is help you build up testimonials. So when you start reaching out to actual agents, you can show them, look, I did this for such and such person and it worked out perfectly. One of the most asked questions I get a lot is, how much do you charge? And the thing is, there's no set amount because there are a lot of variables that go into it, such as the area that your houses are, how expensive your homes are, and your expertise level with the virtual tour business. There's a lot of things that can go into it. So if you are new in the space, I suggest starting your pricing off at a lower level to build up your clientele, meeting new people, and just to get your foot in the door. And as you start to progress, then start to increase your prices. So I also get asked, how do I get paid? One way is the agents will just give you cash for your work, or you can send them an invoice through PayPal. If they want an invoice for your receipt, you can just make a PayPal account, send them an invoice, and they will pay that, and then you can just withdraw that money from PayPal back into your account. So that is it for today's video, guys. I just wanted to quickly go over how you guys can start your virtual tour business and some questions I got. If I missed anything or you guys want me to go more in depth on a certain topic, just feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Just know by no means am I an expert. I'm still learning on this. I just started this side hustle as well. As I said, if you guys want to make your videos more unique and you plan to stay in this business, be sure to check out Virtual Tour Edge HQ. It'll help you make your videos more unique and stand out. And also, if you want the script that I use when I message agents, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll leave a link to it down below. Just know this is not going to be an easy $1,000, $2,000 a month type of business. It's competitive. The virtual tour business is competitive. You're going to have to put in work, million people hustle, but that's the case with any business that you start. So I wish you the best of luck. If you made it this far, be sure to subscribe, like if you guys haven't already. It helps the YouTube algorithm show my videos to more people. But with that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.